Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best remote start system is probably one of the most underrated car accessories, offering unparalleled convenience. Imagine stepping into a perfectly climate-controlled car, whether it's a scorching summer day or a freezing winter morning. This video will explore the top remote start systems, helping you find the perfect one to make your daily commute more comfortable and enjoyable. Number 5. StartX Remote Starter Kit for Ford Vehicles. Imagine starting your car from the comfort of your home. This kit allows you to remotely start your vehicle, making it easy to warm it up in the winter or cool it down in the summer. It's all about convenience. No more freezing mornings or scorching afternoons. This system lets you defrost your windshield quickly in the winter and cool down the interior before you get in during summer. It ensures a comfortable driving experience. Installation is a breeze, taking only about 5 minutes. The included T-harness eliminates the need for cutting or splicing wires. Clear, step-by-step instructions are provided in an installation video. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Ford vehicles, including the F-150, F-250-350, Ranger, Transit Connect, Transit, Bronco Sport, Edge, Escape, Expedition, and Explorer. It works with both push-to-start and key-start vehicles, even diesels. It requires your factory key and is designed for automatic transmission vehicles. The vehicle won't remote start if the check engine light is on or fuel is low. This product is designed and engineered in North America, with technical support located in the USA. What we like. This remote start system boasts a super easy plug-and-play installation, saving you time and hassle. It's also compatible with a wide range of Ford vehicles, making it a great choice for many drivers. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable remote start solution that's easy to install, this is the one for you. What people say. This thing was super easy to install and works perfectly on my 2018 F-150 XLT. Super easy to install and works flawlessly. Installed in my 2019 F-250 Super Duty. Works great. Follow the directions and it goes in easy. Great start range with the OEM remote. Number 4. Compustar CS7900 as two-way remote start and alarm. This is the Compustar CS7900 as a comprehensive remote start and alarm system. It offers a complete security solution for your vehicle, providing peace of mind with every use. With a range of up to 3,000 feet, you can start or secure your car from a distance. This feature ensures that you can always connect with your vehicle, no matter where you are. The system includes a two-way LCD remote, offering both visual and audible confirmation. This means you'll know instantly if your commands have been received and executed successfully. The CS7900, as is equipped with intelligent security sensors. It can detect intrusions and alert you immediately, keeping you informed of any potential threats to your vehicle. Please note that professional installation is required for this system. Additional parts may be needed, and wiring diagrams are not included, so make sure to have it installed by a professional. What we like. This system offers two-way communication, giving you peace of mind with confirmation of your commands. It also includes built-in security features to protect your vehicle. If you value security and want to be instantly notified of any issues, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The remotes are easy to use, with the display remote acting as a two-way to alert you to status and if alarm is triggered. One nice feature, the window unit, antenna, has a built-in LED that faces outside in case you don't want to mount the other LED in dash or wherever. I run both. Offering a remarkable range of 3,000 feet, this bundle boasts unparalleled performance that puts it ahead of the competition. Number 3. Compustar CS920S one-way remote start system. This remote start system has a range of up to 1,500 feet. It comes with two one-way remotes, allowing you to start your car from a distance. It's convenient and easy to use. This is a complete remote start bundle. It includes everything you need for keyless entry and remote start functionality. It comes with two 4-button LED remotes. The system is designed for ease of use. The 4-button remotes make it simple to start your car, lock and unlock doors, and even pop the trunk. It's all very straightforward. The Compustar CS920S offers great performance and reliability. It's a valuable addition to your vehicle, providing convenience and peace of mind. It is also diesel engine safe. Professional installation is highly recommended for this system. Some vehicles may require additional parts, which are sold separately. It is designed for automatic vehicles only. What we like. This system provides a reliable one-way remote start with keyless entry, offering convenience and ease of use. It's also diesel engine safe, making it suitable for a wider range of vehicles. If you want a simple, dependable remote start system with keyless entry, consider this one. What people say. This remote start works great. Easy installation and works great. Range is very good. Surprise, as of January 2024 the 920S comes with the upgraded 1500 feet 900R remotes and upgraded antenna like the 925S. Number 2. Viper 5305V two-way LCD car alarm system. This is the Viper 5305V, a cutting-edge car security system. It offers keyless entry and remote start, making your life easier and more secure. The two-way LCD remote provides confirmation of your vehicle status. You'll always know if the car is locked, unlocked, or if the alarm has been triggered. Start your car remotely with the push of a button. This feature is especially useful in extreme weather conditions, allowing you to preheat or pre-cool the car before you get in. The Viper 5305V offers advanced security features to protect your vehicle. It includes a powerful alarm system and various sensors to deter theft and protect your investment. Enjoy the convenience of keyless entry. This feature allows you to unlock and lock your doors without fumbling for your keys, adding an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. What we like. This system comes with a two-way LCD remote and an alarm system, ensuring you're always informed and protected. It also includes keyless entry for added convenience. If you prioritize security and want a system that keeps you connected to your vehicle, this is a great option. What people say. The remote start works perfectly every time. The installation was straightforward. The range is impressive. Number 1. Compustar CSX 4900S two-way remote start system. This is the Compustar CSX 4900S, a two-way remote start system. It offers convenient features to enhance your driving experience. With this system, you can enjoy the comfort and security it provides. The system boasts an impressive range of up to 3,000 feet. It also features two-way LED confirmation, letting you know the status of your vehicle. You'll have peace of mind knowing your commands are received. It includes smartphone control via Drone X1 LTE for unlimited range. This means you can start your car from virtually anywhere. It offers keyless entry for added convenience. The system provides keyless entry, making it easier to access your vehicle. The remote is water-resistant, ensuring durability in various conditions. It's designed for everyday use. It includes the CM900S remote start control module. It also supports 3x lock start using your OEM remote. This offers a seamless integration with your existing vehicle features. This system comes with a limited lifetime warranty. The remote has a 1-year warranty. Contact an authorized installer for pricing and compatibility. What we like. This remote start system offers two-way LED confirmation, so you know your commands are successful. It also includes smartphone control for unlimited range. If you like the convenience of smartphone control and want to stay connected to your vehicle from anywhere, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Having a slot built in for the Blade AL is super nice. It makes installing a bit faster and much cleaner than having another bulky box to mount under the dash. Range is really good on the remote, plus the feedback to let you know when the vehicle has locked-unlocked started is great. Drone was super easy to figure out and set up. It is extremely convenient. Drone itself makes this unit worth the money. Never have to worry about locking keys in the truck again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.